Yeah, and we've got some clouds out there, but it is warm. So unlike Saturday over the weekend, if you remember that, we had the clouds and it was a cooler day and windy. Today, at least it's mild outside, so not as chilly to be out there. We've got southwest winds blowing all day today. Temperatures, at least here in Lamoni, in the low 60s. We've got winds sustained at about 22 miles per hour. So we will keep the gusty winds around really for the majority of your Monday. Clouds already streaming in right now from west to east here. There are a few light returns on radar, but so far we are all dry. There will be a chance for a little bit of rain overnight tonight and into the day tomorrow, but really will not amount to much. We have better rain chances coming by the end of the work week. Temperatures right now, low 60s here for the lunch hour. We're at 63 up in Boone, 64 both in Des Moines and Ankeny, and 59 down in Creston. Those wind gusts are strong, already gusting close to 40 miles per hour here in Des Moines. Same for Creston and Lamoni. Gusts closer to that 50 mile per hour mark up towards Algona, Spencer, as well as Carroll. So expect the wind gusts to be above 40 miles per hour here as we head into the afternoon. Sustained winds anywhere between about 25 to 35 miles per hour. So definitely going to be blowing in the wind here today. Gusty winds for your lunch hour. By the afternoon, it stays windy and mild. Temperatures, though, hang back into the low 70s, I think, by the afternoon today. You'll notice the wind gusts again out of the south and west here today, staying strong through 4, 5, 6 o'clock this evening. They back off really briefly overnight tonight, but notice as we get into the day tomorrow, our winds will switch direction on Tuesday. They'll be out of the north and west. Tomorrow, still a gusty day, so it will be breezy for the Grand Blue Mile by tomorrow afternoon and evening. We've got gusts tomorrow, not quite as strong as today, but still upwards of 30, maybe 35 miles per hour across the state tomorrow. So another breezy day coming our way on Tuesday. The rest of today, clouds will build in here through the afternoon. Again, a slim chance for a shower at times, especially across northern and southern Iowa. But that's about it. If you do see a rain shower, it's not going to amount to much. We're looking at maybe a few hundredths of an inch as far as rainfall totals go. Rain, clouds break up by tomorrow afternoon. We're back to sunshine, but again, it's going to be breezy here throughout the day on Tuesday, with more sun expected here throughout Tuesday afternoon and into the day on Wednesday. Rest of today looks fairly cloudy. Rainfall, again, not amounting to much, maybe a few hundredths of an inch for places that do see any shower activity later on today. Highs right around the low 70s here in central Iowa. Tonight's forecast, a mix of clouds and clear skies. Temperatures into the 40s and 50s here tonight. We get into the day on Tuesday, highs close to today's. Another breezy day tomorrow with a mix of sun and clouds. Highs near 70 Tuesday. Wednesday looks great. Highs in the low 60s. We're back to the 70s with potential for some stronger storms by Friday.